Hey guys, it's Natalie and welcome to the SportingSmiles channel. Today we're going to be talking about our teeth whitening trays. They're custom and they're unlike any other whitening product out there because it's designed specifically for you to whiten every crevice and every crack of your teeth. There are so many different whitening products out there. You might be familiar with whitening strips or teeth whitening light or even little gel pens that you can kind of color over your teeth with. And there are so many things, it's hard to decide what to pick. So today I'm going to talk to you about our custom teeth whitening trays so that you can figure out what thing you want to use so that you get the best whitened smile. So here is what the product looks like. We have this little case here. It says SportingSmiles and it has your custom teeth whitening trays. You would first complete the SportingSmiles impression kit in order to receive these because again they are custom, so you have to take impressions so that the product can be molded specifically to your teeth. This is what they look like inside the case. Basically they look like retainers, but they're not the same material. These are more like squishy. As you can see, I can bend them. And with a retainer, you definitely would not be able to do that. We also make retainers, but today we're focusing on this product. And then of course we have the whitening gel, and it's just in this little tube that you can push down and put a little bit into the trays. So since these are going to be put in your mouth, it's a really great whitening method because it ensures that all of your teeth are covered, unlike whitening lights or whitening strips. If you've used either of those, you know that it'll miss certain spots of your teeth. Like the whitening strip doesn't stick everywhere, or sometimes they only cover like the first 6 teeth. So these will ensure that every crevice and crack of your teeth will be covered and whitened, and even the backs of your teeth would be whitened. So everything's whitened, which is great. So some of you might see this whitening gel and get kind of nervous because they can sometimes irritate your gums. Different whitening agents tend to do that, especially if you have sensitive teeth. That is why SportingSmiles offers 2 different whitening gels, one that's a little bit stronger and then one that's also made for sensitive teeth so that everybody can use these products and feel okay using them. So before we get started with this process, so I can show you how it works, I did want to give you one tip though. I would suggest that you store your whitening gel in the fridge because whitening gels are very sensitive to heat. So if you store it in the fridge, it'll last longer. Now to start the process, you're first going to want to brush your teeth because you want to make sure that the whitening agent can get right onto your teeth. You don't want them to be dirty. You want them to be clean so that they can get direct contact with the whitening agent. Again, our custom teeth whitening trays cover all of your teeth, so when you're brushing, you want to make sure you get every angle you can so that every spot can be whitened. So now for the moment we've all been waiting for, we're gonna pull out the trays and we're gonna fill them with the gel. So when you're filling your trays, you're just gonna put a little bit in. You can see that I'm doing one just kind of straight line all the way through. A little bit goes a long way, and you might be wondering, well, how does this cover all of my teeth? When your saliva touches the gel, it'll actually start to foam, and so then that will cause it to cover all of your teeth. After you put the gel in the tray, you can just pop them in your mouth and you'll have them in for 10 to 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, the gel loses its strength, so you don't need to wear them any longer than 15 minutes. My 15 minutes were up, so I just took them out. Next is just rinse them off so that they're clean for the next time. Get off the excess water and have them air dry in their case. So I just whiten my teeth and they feel a lot better. They feel clean. Don't feel like you have to brush your teeth afterwards because they're clean now, so you can just rinse them off with water. But another tip I have for you, if you're trying to multitask and you're busy in the morning or you don't know when you can fit this into your routine, a lot of people do like to whiten their teeth with these when they're in the shower because they can just kind of fill them up, put them in, go in the shower, you're multitasking. So it's a great way to get your teeth whitening routine kind of mixed in with your normal routine. If you whiten your teeth with our product once a day for 3 weeks, you should see results. And then once you kind of reach the point where you kind of want to keep it there, you can just kind of do it routinely as you think is necessary. So yeah, it's kind of customizable to you as to how white you want your teeth, or again, what you can fit into your routine. Because you're only using a very little bit amount of the gel in each time you do your tray, this 10 milliliter tube that the whitening gel is in should last you for about a year. So it's a really nice thing that you don't have to keep replenishing like with whitening strips. So now that I have my whitening strips back into their storage case, the process is complete. You want to make sure that they're safe in here and they're ready for you to use next time. If you have any questions, feel free to comment down below or to call our customer service. We would love to help you guys so you can get your teeth as white and bright as quick as you'd like to. But yeah, I hope you guys liked the video and I'll see you in the next SportingSmiles video. I'll see you guys later. Bye.